We have experienced a very nice cool down, and one thing to keep in mind too, around the northern hemisphere there's a series of waves. It's a sinusoidal wave pattern, and based on the number of waves, it looks to me like about every 5 to 7 days we could drop a front down. Some of them will be fairly weak, but we'll watch that. We're also going to watch a batch of cold air from Alaska north up into eastern Russia, and then a big low pressure area that's parked north of Alberta, Canada, that can help that cold air to sweep down into the lower 48. So we're going to be keeping an eye on those things over the next few days. Right now we've got that flow pattern coming in from the north, although our dome of high pressure shifting east, so that clockwise circulation will begin to come back our way from the Gulf, and we'll begin to advect in some more moist air. Right now, it's still cool air advection from the north, although very weak. The winds have dropped off quite a bit. So not too much to see on satellite radar. It's all a downward motion under a high pressure ridge, so you don't see much in the way of cloud cover. Also, it's a dry atmosphere. Those temperatures now have dropped down out of the low and middle 70s into generally 50s and 60s. Brownwood's already down at 48. I might mention Brownwood's equipment sits in a low spot. Cold air is heavy and it does sink to a low spot. Those winds are down now at about 3 to 8 miles per hour. Future track, we're going to bring the numbers down gradually into the lower 50s, then into the 40s as we get into tomorrow morning. We'll start our warm up as the sun comes up, and we'll take it back up into the 70s, and it's just going to be nice, and we'll see our winds gradually shift around. So overnight tonight, we take it down to 46. We're still losing heat, rising up and out of here with a good dry atmosphere. 78, big number tomorrow, cool start, mild afternoon. 7-day, start to warm up, get a return Gulf flow, a little weak wave as we get into the Friday, Saturday time frame. We will see more clouds. I didn't go for any precipitation on that little wave. I just brought a little bit in when our next front comes in, which looks like that'll be sometime on Sunday. Don't have firm timing on it, but it will cool us back down.
You always bring nice weather when you come in here, Bill.
I'm a nice guy, and I like doing that, just for you.
Well, thanks, Bill.
We like it.
You're a nice guy, and so I always do good things for you.
I don't know where he's getting that information.
Thanks, Bill.